It seems to me it depends on situation. Like whenever we go to we visit some new place, so then we always spend whole time with our friends. So whenever we go to school or college or university, then we also spend our whole day uh, with our friends. We feel so good whenever we stay with our friends. We can share our all kinds of activities. We can share our sadness, like our enjoyment. We can share with our friends. So I think those who have a friends, they knows the importance of friends. So I think if I talk about the friends, like how much time we spend each other. So I think it depends on a person. Like if someone else are very friendly, if someone else are really interested to spend their time with their friends. So some people I've seen, like those who are like to spend their valuable time with their friends. Sometimes like those, if I talk about a student, like a student has some duty to study regular basis. Like it is one of the important activity that a student should do. Like as students always try to do his best, and he study a lot. And sometimes whenever a student can understand the importance of a friend, sometimes a student goes to his close friends, and sometimes they make group study. So in group study they get a lots of advantage. Like whenever they do, sometimes one of his friend can understand one matter, and then the other friends can assist him, like or her, how to study. Like if his friends knows about it, so then they can assist each other. And sometimes it becomes so easy and they get encouraged, and especially in studying. So it is really beneficial. So if I talk about going somewhere, like whenever people make friends, and after that they like to eat each other, they like to go somewhere. Sometimes whenever they visit a new place, so most of the time they try to spend the whole day, and they try to take their like lunch outside, and they always try to make fun each other. Especially as a child, like people always try to copy others, and sometimes they also try to do the same thing as they did before. But it becomes more interesting whenever they copy other people activities. So like especially those who are job holder, like they don't have so much time like for spending their valuable time with their colleagues. Like most of the time they stay busy with their work, and while they get some free time, so then they just try to take a rest. But those who don't have any kinds of activity to do, so they always try to spend their valuable time with their friends. I think that those who only understand the importance of their friends. So these kinds of people are really interested to spend their valuable time with their friends. I think a friend is the blessing of God. Like we can do anything with our friends, like especially in positive things. Like with our friends we go to market. Sometimes we need to buy some necessary things. If we are busy to buy these things, so sometimes we can say it to our friends, like my friend, you will have to do this task for me. And sometimes we get benefit by our friends. So I think friends is very important, and we should spend our time with our friends.